It's your boy RG time. Yeah, I'm glad to see every one of you. We're gonna do this challenge in 20 minutes. Alright, you see we ain't got nothing on, okay? Let's turn these both on high. Okay, we're gonna cook and eat in 20 minutes. I got y'all set up right there. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit. Okay, last time we burned our bread, so let's don't do that this time, okay? So we're gonna do it all from scratch. This is what you can do at home. It's not that expensive. It's pretty cheap, to be honest with you. Okay, it's going on as everything else is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get that started. Okay, you can see. Watch how fast this is. We're gonna try to do the 20-minute challenge. Okay, 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do then? Okay, we gotta let it get hot. Okay, we're gonna put our bread in here. Okay, like that right there. Let's do the outside first. Okay, you hear it starting to sizzle. Okay, everything from scratch. Okay, we're not gonna. Okay, got 3 pieces of ham. Okay, there. Gonna put that in there like that. Okay, 3 pieces of ham. Okay, so we just want to get our bread warm. Okay, we don't want to burn it like we did that last time. Last time I burned it. So you're gonna see how fast this is. Okay, this is really fast. Okay, so get this going here. Okay, and we're gonna get this going. Okay, I could have had it already going, but that would be cheating. I don't want to cheat. Okay, we don't want to cheat nothing. Okay, so okay, we'll make sure that's good. Okay, we're gonna cook and eat. Okay, look at that pretty tomato right there. Ooh, yeah. Okay, we'll take that piece right there. Okay, like that. Okay, put that aside for later. Get our lettuce out of here. Okay, we're not gonna cut that open too bad. Okay, see, peel off a big piece of it. Okay, we're spicing it up. I don't know if you know what I'm doing here, but I'm spicing this up. And there's our lettuce. Okay, bread is about done there. Okay, so let's turn this over here. Okay. Get our ham going here. Okay. There we go. I know some people aren't into the ham, but I like it. I was raised on it all my life. Hasn't been a problem for me. Okay. We got a little bit there. Okay. So cut that off. Okay. So while I was doing that, we're gonna get mayonnaise and we're gonna get some ketchup. Because I like ketchup. Okay, we're gonna get mayonnaise. So can you see what's happening? Okay, we're gonna put some mayonnaise over here. Okay. Turn that over. Okay. Okay. Get that going right there. A little ketchup on here. Burn like this. Got there these two together. Like that. Oh, like that. Okay, let's go. And it's about done already. Look at that. Look how fast you can do this, okay? Look at this. Okay? Look. Oh yeah. I don't know what you call that. It's like a bacon egg. A BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. This is ham, egg, and tomato and lettuce. This is Chef Boy RG's version of it, okay? This is really good stuff here, man. Well, I think that ham is done. We'll put that over there for now. Okay. Where's our butter at? We got a hot thing here going. Let's juice that up again, okay? Okay, we got this done. Ooh. Oh yeah. Really hot. Okay. Turn it down just a little bit. Okay. I like butter, so it don't matter. Okay. salt and pepper it. Okay. Salt and pepper. Okay. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Okay. Go like this right here. Okay. Alright, you see what I'm doing here, right? Anybody can do this. I'm cooking it a little fast because I got to, because we got a challenge here going on, okay? You can take your time. If you can take your time and do it, I want to be able to beat. Before you can go to town, I'll have this done eat. Okay? Alright, that's my motto. We'll have it done eating. Okay, I want this one done. I like my food done, so I don't like it all eggy yolky. Okay. Okay, got that. Okay. We'll put that on there like that. Put the egg on there. Okay. We're gonna put the egg on here like this. Okay. Then we're gonna get this over here. Okay. Make sure that's done right there. So we can cut that off. Alright. Okay, we're gonna put a piece of cheese on here. Okay. Put a piece of cheese on the egg. You don't have to do it on the stove. You can do it like that right there. Just put it on there like that. Put your ham on top. And this up there will melt like you ain't never seen. Okay, like that. Okay. Alright, then we're going to put our ham on there. And our lettuce on there. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to put our one piece of tomato on there like that. Okay. And then we're going to put that over there like that. Okay. That's all. That's all. Okay. Put this on there like that. Boom. There you go. There you have it. Check that out. Alright, come on, go with me, okay? Alright, here's our table. Okay. Let's put you up here. Unedited. It's not going to be edited, so this is what you get. See what? It's what you see is what you get, okay? So there's that. How about that? How about that, people? Huh? Was that fast or what? Okay? We're 8 minutes into it, okay? So it's a 20-minute challenge. Alright. 20-minute challenge. Okay? Okay, now, let's see how this works. Look at that. Look at this big old thing. Look here, man. Check that out. Huh? Oh, wow. That's hot. Oh my God, it's so good. Mm. Look how that cheese melting. See how the cheese melting? That cheese just melting. Oh my God. That's so good. Yeah. 9:31. Look at that. Huh? Oh my God. Look at that. Was that a sandwich? Or what? Huh? All right. This is good. Tomato bread, the ham, and egg, the mayonnaise and ketchup. Man, the tomato is cold. And lettuce, it's get going against you in my mouth because it's hot. That's cold too. All the senses, all your senses are getting hit on. All right. Don't try it at home unless you're a professional, like me. No, it's really good. I would suggest to you do what I just did. Huh? And see what you think, man. I mean, you do it just like I did. See how it tastes, man. Have you a little monster drink? Flush down. Oh man. Look, I did it in 15 minutes. Oh. All right. Got one more minute. The 15. Okay, got that there. All right, you see that? Look at that. We're done. All done. 15 minutes. I'm gonna put it on there 15 minutes. Instead of 20. I got 20 minutes down, because I want to beat 20 minutes, so we beat 20 minutes. 8 seconds, 7. I failed at 15, but I got the 20 in there, you know. What do you think? Pretty good, wasn't it? I think it's pretty good. I forgot to put my bacon bits in there. Dang. Hey, I appreciate you guys, man. Chef Boy RG approved. Check it out next time. Make it just like I did. And don't eat it like I did, but I did it for the video. Okay, well, we baked it 20 minutes. But I'm going to make it like it failed, okay? I baked it 20 minutes. I just failed at 15. I could have done it in 15. I was 1 second over when I got that last swallow in. So we went 16. You know, that's just it. That's the way it is, okay? I'll clean up. I can clean up in the 4 minutes we got. I'm not going to put you to that. I hope everybody has a blessed day. And come on back and see me. We'll do some more. I'm going to cook. Because if a storm, man, I love you guys. You're all one of a kind. Live long and prosper. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Put it in the comments. Huh? He did it. Hater done it. Bye-bye.